What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to look at how to find the mean absolute deviation. The mean absolute deviation is simply the average distance each data value is away from the mean. And remember, we can label the mean as X bar. So again, the mean absolute deviation is just the average distance each data value is away from the mean. It's very easy to find, and I'm going to give you 4 simple steps for finding the mean absolute deviation, or as I like to call it, MAD. So step 1, find the mean. So when I'm given a data set, I'm going to find the mean. I'm going to find X bar. Step 2, I'm going to subtract each term by the mean. Or, in other words, I'm going to subtract the mean from each term. Step 3, and actually, if you're writing this down, let's write that. Subtract X bar from each term. Step 3, make all numbers positive. And then finally, step 4, find the new mean. So I'm going to show you how easy this is the moment that we have a data set. So without further ado, let's just jump straight in. So find the mean absolute deviation of this data set here. Well, again, step 1, find the mean. How do I find the mean? I take every number and I add them up. So 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 14 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20. And then I divide that by however many numbers we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to divide this by 8. And when I do that, we're going to get 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 14 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 divided by 8 gives me 12.88. I'm going to round up. And that equals my mean. So there's step 1. Easy. Take all my numbers, add them all up, divide by however many numbers that I have. Step 2, and this is where it gets a little bit tedious, and it can take a little while. But that's not a big deal. What I want to do is I want to subtract the mean from each term. So I have 8 minus 12.88. I have 9 minus 12.88, 9 minus 12.88, 10 minus 12.88, 14 minus 12.88, 15 minus 12.88, 18 minus 12.88, and 20 minus 12.88. And we're going to get those answers in just a second. So when I do 8 minus 12.88, that gives me negative 4.88. 9 minus 12.88 gives me negative 3.88. 9 minus 12 again gives me negative 3.88. 10 minus 12.88 gives me negative 2.88. 14 minus 12.88 gives me positive 1.12. 15 minus 12.88 gives me 2.12. 18 minus 12.88 gives me 5.12. And 20 minus 12.88 gives me 7.12. So that was step 2, subtracting the mean from each data term. Step 3 is where I make all of these numbers positive. Now, obviously, some of them already are positive, and that's fine. But I have now 4.88, 3.88, 3.88, 2.88, 1.12, 2.12, 5.12, and 7.12. Count them just to make sure we have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got them all because now I can do step 4 and I can find the new mean, or really the mean absolute deviation. So I'm going to take each one of those numbers, 4.88 plus 3.88 plus 3.88 plus 2.88 plus 1.12 plus 2.12, scroll over a little bit, running out of room, plus 5.12 plus 7.12. We're going to divide all of that by 8, and bear with me because I'm doing this on my calculator as well. So 4.88 plus 3.88 plus 3.88 plus 2.88 plus 1.12 plus 2.12 plus 5.12 plus 7.12 divided by 8 gives me 3.88. And that is my mean absolute deviation. So, again, mean absolute deviation in 4 simple steps. Find my mean. Subtract that mean from each data value. Make them all positive. And then find the mean absolute deviation. So I hope this video makes you feel good. I hope you understand a little bit more about the mean absolute deviation. Thanks for checking it out. I'll see you next time.